As a hiring manager here at CFP Wesco Cameroon, I look for one specific trait above all else when interviewing data analysts: absolute precision. In a market this dense, minor mathematical errors can cost local businesses their survival. Consider Amina, a recent graduate who took over the books for a local boutique right in this market. By applying exact data practices, she identified a series of tiny pricing errors that were slowly draining the owner's daily profits. Amina understood that Excel operates like a strict cashier. It doesn't guess your intentions. It only responds to explicit instructions using standard operators. Type 5 plus 3, and it returns exactly 8. Type 6 times 7, and you get 42. Mastering these exact operational symbols is the mandatory first step. Without them, calculations are prone to silent errors that eat directly into a business's margins. A common trap for new analysts is the invisible math error. They assume Excel reads a formula strictly from left to right, but as this reference document shows, the software follows a precise mathematical hierarchy. It uses an order of operations known as PEMDAS. The software evaluates parentheses first, followed by exponents, then moves to multiplication and division, and finishes with addition and subtraction. Imagine you are calculating an order, a $2 base fee, plus $3 for shipping, multiplied by 4 items. If you just type 2 plus 3 times 4, Excel prioritizes the multiplication. It multiplies 3 by 4 to get 12, then adds 2, resulting in 14. To group the fees together first, you must wrap 2 plus 3 in parentheses. Excel will add those to get 5, and then multiply by 4, returning 20. That is a $6 discrepancy for a single transaction. The software does not generate an error message for an incorrect sequence. It simply processes the formula exactly as written, creating incorrect financial data that can ruin a business decision. Let's test this logic. Pause the video and manually calculate the outcomes for these two similar formulas: 10 divided by 2 plus 3 and 10 divided by 2 plus 3 in parentheses. In the first equation, division takes priority. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Add 3 and your final result is 8. In the second equation, the parentheses force the addition to happen first. 2 plus 3 is 5. 10 divided by 5 leaves you with exactly 2. The pro tip at the bottom of our reference sheet provides the most reliable safeguard for building complex financial formulas. When in doubt, use parentheses. They explicitly guarantee your mathematical intent. This proactive verification of logic is the trait that separates a professional data analyst from an amateur guesser. This bar chart visualizes your monthly sales trends. Use the percentage operator to calculate precise discount rates, like 50%, and the exponent operator to model growth metrics, like 2 to the power of 3. Mapping these helps instantly identify profit leaks. At Wesco, we view accurate data management as an ethical standard. Handling sales data correctly and applying fair, error-free local pricing builds lasting trust within the community. Download the practice files to apply these software commands yourself. Once comfortable, share your findings with local tech networking groups, like those at Silicon Mountain. Mastering this core arithmetic is the vital foundation. As this final reference table shows, these standard operators are the tools you need to build transparent, profitable, and scalable local businesses.